Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Citroën C8, 2009 to 2014? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a 2009 to 2014 Citroën C8 contains fuses and relays for essential engine and powertrain systems. It protects circuits like the ECU, fuel system, and cooling fans from overloads and short circuits. Dashboard fuse box. The dashboard fuse box in a 2009 to 2014 Citroën C8 manages fuses for interior electrical systems such as lighting, infotainment, and climate control. It protects these circuits from overloads and short circuits. Fuses on the battery. The fuses on the battery of a 2009 to 2014 Citroën C8 protect high-current circuits directly connected to the battery, such as the starter, alternator, and main power distribution. They prevent damage from overloads or short circuits. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.